How to dispute a charge on Bank of America account. Let's get started. If you have noticed an unauthorized or incorrect charge on your Bank of America account, don't worry, you have right to dispute it. Let's go through these steps together to resolve this issue. Firstly, log into your Bank of America account using your username and password. This will give you access to your account details and transaction history. Once logged in, navigate to the Transaction History or Account History section of your online banking dashboard. Review your recent transactions carefully. If you spot an unauthorized or incorrect charge, select it to view more details. Look for the option to dispute the charge. This is usually labeled as Dispute or Report a Problem next to the transaction. Follow the prompts to provide details about the dispute. You may need to explain why you are disputing the charge and provide any supporting documentation. Review the dispute information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit it for review for Bank of America's fraud department. After submitting the dispute, you should receive confirmation that it has been received and will be investigated. Be sure to keep an eye on your account for updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can dispute a charge on your Bank of America account and protect your finances. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact Bank of America's customer service team. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.